Model, 1992 Fiat DUCATO 14 motor home, caravan camper auto sleeper Rambler MOT failure needs welding. Body, white, camper. Mileage, 125916. Engine, 1971 cc petrol. Transmission, 5-speed manual. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. MOT failure needs welding. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear camping area is in decent, average condition. Features, 2 keys. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.